Morning second grade, we're on lesson 146 and that's page 291. So page 291, lesson 146, okay? Page 291. And then we're doing this video on Tuesday, May the 5th. So make sure you're seeing this video on Tuesday, May the 5th. All right, number 1 says, rewrite the sentence, adding an adverb that tells how the action of the verb was done. So we're gonna rewrite the sentence first, and then you're gonna add an adverb. And adverbs normally end in ly, very good. And then they also describe verbs, right? So you're gonna do that, and then tell us how the action of the verb was done. So the first one says, Ava sang a song. They give you that sentence, and then you're gonna put, Ava sang a song beautifully. Very good. So beautifully is the adverb, okay? So the next one is, Liam and John helped. So how did Liam and John help? So first of all, you need to write this down. Liam and John helped. So how did they help? Liam and John helped maybe quickly. Okay. Maybe they like to help quickly, right? So put the adverb quickly, right? So make sure you write Liam and John helped quickly. You write the sentence. Okay, next is Mia rode her bike. So Mia rode her bike. How did Mia ride her bike? How did she ride her bike? Maybe slowly? I don't know, maybe they were riding it in the dirt and so they had to go slow, right? We'll just put slowly. Or you can put swiftly. That's like a little bit more fast. Okay, let's see. The next one, last one, our dog barked. So our dog barked. What can we write there? Our dog barked. How about loudly? I know I have beagle dogs and they are loud barkers when they see a squirrel or an animal or like even a person if they're on the front steps, they get excited. So my dogs can bark loudly. So our dog barked loudly. So loudly is the adverb. Remember, our adverbs end in ly. You see that? Okay, all those 3 words. Now number 2 says, excuse me, read the sentences, underline the verbs 2 times and circle the adverbs. Draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb it describes. So all you have to do is underline the verb and circle our adverbs and then the arrow. That's it, 3 things. Okay, so let's go ahead and first off, underline the verb 2 times. So Christopher carefully carried Grandma's teacup. So what is my verb? Do you see it? Very good, carried. So we'll underline that 2 times. And then we have an adverb. So what is my adverb? Remember, adverb describe the verb. So Christopher carefully carried Grandma's teacup. So how did Christopher carry? Carefully, very good. So we're gonna circle carefully, and then we're gonna draw the arrow to the verb. Good job. Okay, next. Grandma took the cup thankfully. What's my verb? The action. What's the action? Good, took. Underline that 2 times. And then, what is my adverb? Grandma took the cup thankfully. What is describing took? How did Grandma take it? That's right, she took it thankfully. Circle your adverb. Draw the arrow to the verb. Very good job, second grade. Okay, last sentence. Christopher and Grandma ate their blueberry muffins and tea happily. So what is my verb? Very good. And it shows action, so it is ate. Good, underline that 2 times. And then what is my adverb? How did Christopher and Grandma eat? Eat their blueberry muffins, which sounds good. Now I want to go make some at home. So how did Christopher, actually that's not a bad idea. I might do that sometime this week. So Christopher, how did Christopher and Grandma eat their blueberry muffins and tea? How did they do that? They did it happily. Very good. That's right. So we're circling our adverb, happily, and we're drawing the arrow to the verb. Excellent job. Super easy right there, second grade. So number 3 says write a verb to go with each adverb. So blank loudly. What can we do that's loud? So what kind of action verb can we put there? Blank loudly. Maybe shout loudly, right? Okay, or maybe, I don't know. Yeah, shout loudly. Okay, the next one is gladly. Blank gladly. What can we put there? Blank gladly. How about reading gladly? I know I love to read whenever I have time at home, and I'm glad to do that. Okay, even reading my Bible. I love reading my Bible gladly. So reading gladly. How about famously? Famously. I know some people maybe sing famously. Some Christian music people can sing famously, right? And we should always sing to the Lord, right? So that's singing praises to God, because God knows who we are. So we're famous in God's eyes. That's all that matters. Okay, and then the next one is blank kindly. Blank kindly. What verb can we put there? Let's think. Blank kindly. What can we do that's, what kind of action verb can we do that's kind? Maybe help kindly, right? Help, like we can help someone. Okay, dictation. First sentence says, can you play baseball? Can you play baseball? So spell that out. And the next one, will you teach me how? Will you teach me how? So the first one is, can you play baseball? The second one is, will you teach me how? Now those two questions are what kind of sentences? Interrogative. An interrogative ends in a question mark. Very good. So we know that interrogative ends in a question mark. So make sure you have question marks at the end of those sentences. All right, so you're going to do page 292. We have 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you do your seat work. And I hope you understand a little bit more about adverbs, okay, and marking our sentences. So if you want, make up some sentences at home. You can practice at home. Miss you guys and can't wait to see you guys soon. Take care.